My name is Papi. I'm a recruitment consultant, but obviously I'm thinking of going full time in property investment. What else do you want to know about me? I live in Preston. I live with my partner in Bamber Bridge, nice little place. Before I moved to Preston, I used to live in East London about five up until 2020. In 2020, I made a very difficult decision to move to Salford, Manchester. And then from Salford, I bought a property in Preston. So I like it there. About what? Oh, to be honest, it's been amazing. Amazing is an understatement. Do you get what I mean? Like I came not knowing what to expect, and every information, everything has been quality compared to what is out there from like over trainers. A lot of people that I've spoken to in the room as well, they didn't know what to expect. If someone had told me that this is what I was gonna get, I'd be like, no, no, it's not possible. Do you get what I mean? But being here in the room myself, witnessing this and seeing the real testimony from people who have actually experienced the crash course, this advanced training, members of the academy, is mind blowing. Oh, Samuel is fantastic to be honest, and he's actually very genuine as well. One of the key takeaways for me for the training is it's not just someone who is just talking, it's someone who is walking the talk. Somewhere will pick up the phone and then it will show you how to do it. It's not like, oh yeah, go drive that car yourself. I'm a good driving instructor. It sits beside you, it guides you, and then it shows you how to do what it's asking you to do, which I think is brilliant as well. To be honest, if you've come to the crash course and you're still thinking about this, waste no time. There's that small little voice in your head, or there's that friend who will say, oh, are you sure this is not a scam? Someone said that to me as well. So, are you sure this is not a scam? Bro, it's no scam. It is real. It is genuine. It's a life-changing opportunity. I've not just I literally just attended a crash course last month, and between that time and now, I paid for the advanced training and I've joined the academy because I can see tangible results, and I believe that's going to work out well for me.